Hi, I'm Patrick here. Basically, trying to help you with regards to what books to read. As we know, that reading becomes very important as far as preparation for CAT goes. So, what I'm trying to do is trying to break up the whole genre of books into different types, and for each type, I would try to recommend a few books. So, what I'm going to talk to you today is the recommended reading list specifically with regards to business books, which are based on specialization, a specific specialization. So, this is what I'm going to recommend today. So similarly, I will recommend you different type of books for maybe different type of genres, and that will help you maybe to pick up what books that you like and what books to read. Because one thing normally I recommend during reading is you should read what you like. So and normally you will come to know what you like once you start reading different genres. So pick up books from different and then try to read. That normally helps you to improve. So the books list of books that I'm going to recommend in terms of specific specialization like operations. One of the good books that you can read is a goal. Now these are books which you don't have to do an MBA to read it. You can read it without doing an MBA. But it will give you some idea about a specialization and it's quite interesting. You'd feel to read it. So one of the best books that I've come across is Goal. Okay, that is for operations. Then Marketing Warfare for marketing. 22 Immutable Laws of Marketing for again marketing. The S's of Warren Buffett will help you finance to some extent. Rich Dad Poor Dad again for finance to some extent, and I am okay, you're okay for HR. So these are not specialization based books, but this will, I mean, if you read a book called Goal, it will normally help for a person from operations. So a person from operations are recommended to read a book called Goal. So let me just go to little details, maybe not telling you about the book, but telling you how the book is and how why it is read. So Goal is by Goldratt, okay, and it is supposed to be the fundamental aspect about operations, but it is good for everyone. So anyone you specialize with anything, Goal is a very good book to understand where your problem lies and how to go about solve them. Okay, and it's an amazing book that you can go about. So our faculty was there for operations. He said that everyone should read this book at least once a year, whether you're from operations or not, but should read it because every time you read it, you get a new insights to your problems or insights to how to go about solving issues, etc. And it's a storybook. I mean, the whole concept is explained using the storybook, and that's what makes it quite interesting a read. And it's recommended everyone should read this book. Okay, definitely. I'll write so many books on marketing, but I like his book a lot. Okay, marketing, especially the author Al Rice, and therefore both the books that I've recommended for marketing are based on his book. He has many other books, and all are interesting. What makes it really interesting is the examples that he provides. So a lot of examples provided, so it makes a very interesting read, and that helps. So marketing warfare is talking about the different wars in marketing and how does it go about it. Good read. Anyway, any books by Al Rice, if you have get a hang of it, please go about reading it. It becomes quite interesting to read. So if you want to understand a little bit of marketing, that's maybe Marketing Warfare is a good book that you can go about reading it. Okay, same way by the same authors, Al Rice and Jack Trout. It is called 22 Immutable Laws of Marketing. The same authors, Jack Trout and Al Rice read even have written a previous book where you see that both of them are there. They have other books like 22 Immutable Laws of Branding, etc. etc. So you can look at his books. It is quite interesting because it gives you a lot of examples and that makes it, quite fun in terms of understanding what it is and what he's trying to say. So again, these books are really fun to read if you really like the topic. The essays of Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is supposed to be one of the gurus with regards to finance. I mean, he's one of the richest person in the world purely by investing in stock market. So a lot of people who invest in stock market just follow him. I mean, and he has a very different take with regards to investing in the stock market as compared to what normally people have a take. So he's more of a long-term investor and more of a fundamental investor. But yeah, knowing about him, understanding him is a lot of finance people, look up to him with regards to, you know, investment. And investment is true for everyone, whether you do finance or whether you not do finance. Tomorrow, when you earn money, you have to invest. And some good ideas about what he talks about will help you to understand it. Yeah, he also goes into specific topics like mergers and acquisition, accounting and taxation, etc., investing. That does help you to understand finance a little better. Rich Dad Poor Dad, a general book which again can be read by anyone. More talks about why it is good to start a business in terms of financial aspects about it than maybe working in a company. Let's be put very clear. So good, again, a story based. You can read it like a story and try to understand it. And he explained to explain a little bit concepts about finance through the story that he put across. So again, a good read for, and it helps you to understand a little bit about finance in terms of different aspects of the balance sheet to some extent. Not great, but some extent. So I didn't have any other book. So I just tried to pick up a book for HR. I'm not saying that this explains the HR concept, or nor do I tell you that all the previous book explains you any particular concepts as such. These are not concept-based book, but this is just good read. So again, I am okay, you're okay. The good read to understand something called how people interact with each other, and normally people in HR do involve in interaction, how to interact, how to motivate, etc. So transactional analysis is what it is based on. Okay, and that is a good read if you're looking at HR. To understand, each of these books can be read by anyone. It is not that you have to specialize in that particular field to read that book. They're supposed to be some of the best books that are written on the topic, and not HR, but on the topic, transactional analysis, and so on. And it is a very interesting read. So if you are interested to read generally about what are the different concepts, I think this should help you to understand them. So if you're looking at something related to business, so I want to know about business before I join it. So I think these are the good books that will help you to understand, interesting books. I'm not talking of conceptual books. I'm talking interesting books that will help you to understand where you want to get into. Right? Hope it's clear. I will come up with more such series for different kind of books for different genres, and it will help you to decide which books that you want to pick up from different genres. Thank you.